Okay, so this is my first time doing YouTube. Just a little bit about myself. I am a diesel mechanic. I work on heavy equipment. On my off days, and also when I'm home, instead of watching TV, I actually build this guy. This PC7000 shovel was built from scratch from aluminum. And I can actually, I've got some pictures and some more videos that I'd like to put on of the actual build process. As you can see, we actually in our company, we run a lot of Komatsu and Caterpillar. In fact, those are our two main brands, and we also use Peterbilt with the ISX Cummins. This shovel right here took me about a year to build. I'm just going to kind of go through it and show you some of the detail. Everything you see here is built out of aluminum sheet that I've cut. It's 1/8 inch steel gauged aluminum actually. The hydraulic rams I built out of plastic. They have stainless steel rods with pistons in them, just like the real ones, to hold and allow the machine or this model here to hold its position. They come up with the bucket. I've strapped the bucket like how they would with real wear plates. Everything is functional and movable. Here's my little guy. You can see I even build everything right down. These are Brooder tracks I ordered from Brooder directly. They're actually the same scale as what they would be like in real life, so they work perfectly. The only thing is they're a 3 grouser. The shovel does not have some. They might have grousers depending on how the pit orders them. But as you can just see the size of this PC7000. Let me put this guy in here and show you. I mean, it's big. It's really big. It's so close next to an 8000 shovel as well. I do have a PC3000 right next to it, so you can actually see the size comparison. I mean, it is really big. But so here's some detail about it. So I've got hydraulic rams that are built internally inside here to hold the clamshell open when it's dumped. So you can see my hydraulic lines, the steel lines I've built for them. Everything. My little brother 3D printed this cab for me. Shout out to Sam. He built that, and I've painted everything. I built these logos. I actually received these ones from Komatsu dealership. Komatsu equipment in Salt Lake, actually. So as you can see here, I have catwalk all across there that I've built. Every single thing that you see is what I have built from scratch. So just kind of shut up and let you take a look here. The model weighs close to about 8 pounds. You can see down in there, it's kind of hard to see, but there is a catwalk down in there with the entrance door. These are real screen material here that you can see. Everything moves and functions properly, like how the real model would. You can see I can pose it in different positions. The rams I built for this are really stiff because I like the models to be able to hold up its own arm, and this arm's very heavy because of the thickness of the aluminum. So anyways, this is my shovel. I've also built it with the ramp. The stairway actually comes down just like the real one. Just kind of wanted to show you that. So this is it next to the shovel, and I'm getting ready to actually customize this. I have already customized the bucket. So I don't know if you guys can see, but that is actually wear plate. That all that is what I have put on it. Even up here. And this, to kind of give it a little more realistic view. I'm getting ready to pipe it like I did this one. Run hydraulic hoses down through it. and I'll be running real hydraulic, well, so that they look real all through here. So this is my 3000. I'll kind of back up so you can see the 3000 shovel compared here to the 7000 shovel. I have a lot more I like doing shovels. I also custom build transport trailers and low boys with heavy haul loads on them as well. I'm currently working on, and will YouTube, I have a Labir 966 that I'm currently working on with custom motors. That's in the back, that's coming back. So I will again post another YouTube video of the build of this shovel if you guys want to see it. It's actually scaled to 150 scale, if I haven't mentioned. There's a guy standing next to it just to kind of give you some view of it. So just some minor detail in the cab, the lights and the mirrors. They're all custom built, everything you see. So let me know what you think. You feel free to leave some comments if you don't like it or if you like it. Let me know what you think. So there it is. There's the shovel.